Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from Gossip Funda. Let's get started. So in this video, I will be telling you about what is com.samsung.android.incallui. So let's first know what is com.samsung.android.incallui. So com.samsung.android.incallui provides an interface between your dialer and machine. Means when you press one digit in dialer, then machine understand that you press digit 1. When you receive an incoming call from the another mobile to your mobile, com.samsung.android.incallui service is activated. It will display dialer and it works as an interface between the SIM and the mobile phone. So the next question arises that how would you stop the in-call UI? There is no option of removing in-call UI from your device, but you can certainly stop the in-call UI. It can never be stopped fully, it can only be stopped for running in background and will be activated once you get an call. The steps are as follows. Navigate to settings and then click on the apps. Then go to the apps and find phone in all the applications. After that, look for COM Samsung Android in call UI. Then tap the three dots and search for it and select show system apps. Then go to the system apps, then open each one of these and wipe the store in each one of them. After the in-call UI is being off, then there are the following things that will appear on your screen. To disconnect the call and to record the call, then put the call on hold, mute the call, then you can open other function by pressing the home button and you can just add another person on the call. So let's know how to fix com.samsung.android.incallui if not working properly. Sometimes it shows the error that com.samsung.android.incallui if not working or the caller ID is not working. So here are the steps to solve the problem. First, navigate to the settings, then go to the settings and go to the apps. In the apps, search for in-call UI and then tap on it for the options to display. After that, tap on the clear cache option. And after doing all that, if you are still facing problem, just force restart your device. I hope I was able to give you some of the information. If I do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel. You can also watch the previous videos from the I button. You can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more interesting tech-based facts and articles. Link is in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you.